Hey guys, eto na naman ulit tayo. Alis na.
Alis na. And
nakapag-gas na rin. Nakabili ng coffee.
And we got here.
Ayan si Han.
And we seeing her.
Papunta tayo sa Mustro.
Mommy.
Yeah?
Mom, I got 23 plane tickets.
23. -6 ngayon dito. Actually, nung kaalis namin kanina sa Brandon is +3 yata. And then dito is medyo windy. Mas malamig dito. And kanina din is may mga parang snow fingers sa daan. Medyo nakakatakot yung ibang nadaanan namin. Hindi na namin napakita sa inyo kasi hindi pwedeng mag Google Maps and call. Nagtatawagan kami kasi ni Ivan the whole time na we're driving. Ayaw gumana nitong dual cam. So, yeah.
I want to talk something.
But sinabi ko sa kanya na mamaya.
I want to talk to something.
Okay, you can say something.
And kanina, the answer call from Daddy, it was cancelled.
Yeah, it was cancelled.
And we're guys moving somewhere now.
Hindi ko pala na-save yung mga videos kanina. Hindi ko alam kung gaano kadami yung nasa-save nitong front camera namin. Like, yung dash camera. Hindi ko alam gaano kadami bago mag loop recording. So, we'll see how it is. So, mauna na si Han. Mag-establish doon. Medyo malaking daan kasi to. So, hindi ko rin makita actually. So, we'll see. Okay. Sundan ko lang muna siya kasi hindi nga pwedeng magsabay. Sabi ko yung Google Maps at saka yung dual cam para makita lang yung daan natin. So, yung takbo namin mula kanina is nagre-range sa 110 kilometers per hour. May mga 80 din ganun, pero usually 100 or 100. Okay pa naman, kaya ba? Atcha.
That's your dirty sweetie. Mommy,
Yeah.
my ankle is hurting.
Your ankle is hurting.
My big bones are hurting.
So, sige guys, mamaya na lang ulit. Update namin kayo sa next stop. I-call ko muna din si Ivan. Medyo mahaba-haba biyahe ito. So, good luck. Malapit na rin mag-halfway. Balak namin na mag-rest dun for like half an hour. Kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo is, hindi na kami pwede mag-overnight dun sa hotel or dun sa inn na nireserve namin gawa na sa lahat ng araw, ngayon pa talaga magkaka-winter storm watch, which is tomorrow morning. And hindi lang yun guys dito sa Saskatchewan, pero pati ata sa Winnipeg, sabi ni Kuya, and nandun sa Alberta. So, it is what it is. Mahirap talaga magbiyahe pag winter. Kataon lang na talaga maganda yung winter natin this year. So, we'll see. Kapit lang, pray lang for a safe Hi guys! After 2 hours and 20 minutes, ito yung pinakamatagal namin na stop from one gas station to another. Finally, andito na kami sa Musjo, Saskatchewan. And ayan si Han. Napagas din siya. Nihigpitan lang din niya yung kapit dun sa wheel niya every stop namin. Medyo malamig yung wind ngayon. And ang mahal ng gas dito, $1.49. $1.49 per liter. Well, I guess sa Manitoba kasi is wala lang gas tax. May gas tax relief yung government for like 6 months. So kung meron gas tax is baka ganito rin, $1.49. Okay guys, see you in a bit. Hi guys! We're currently here na sa Swift Current. Time check. It's... ano bang oras? Ano ba? Parang 7-ish na. 7:30 or something. Ang gas price dito is $1.39. Mas murang konti. Oily na ang face ng mommy. Pwede nang pagpritusan ng itlog. Papagas lang ulit, stretching. And then after is gora na. Happy na kasi 5 hours na lang. Alberta na. And dito si Han, papagas ulit. Ayun. Papagas lang. Malapit na, konting kabot na lang. 5 more hours. Lapit na. Sige guys, see you later.
Saskatchewan.
Swift Current.
What? Swift Current?
Yeah.
We're we park in the parking. And bye bye.
Kian, dito ka. Baka makakita ka ng... Hi guys! Time check. Ano na ngayon dito, nag-iba na yung oras. Right now is 9:24 na ng gabi dito.
What would it be?
Lapit na baby ko, 6 minutes na lang. So 6 minutes na lang is malapit na kami sa next stop namin, which is Medicine Hat, Alberta. Fighting guys. Panting gampat na lang. Di man kami naka-overnight doon sa binook naming hotel sa pangalan nito, Pilgrim Inn. Doon sana kami halfway tonight, which is yun sana yung best choice namin. Pero unfortunately talagang bukas ng umaga, like mag-start ata ng madaling araw, magkaka winter storm. So anyway, this is it. Malapit na talaga. So after sa Medicine Hat, 3 hours na lang andun na sa Calgary. Kaya lang hindi ko talaga kaya ng straight 3 hours. Sabi ko kay Ivan na mag halfway pa rin kami, like stopover na 1.5 and then stretch na naman or pagas and then washer break and then another 1.5. So malapit na guys. Medicine Hat, nasa Alberta na kami. Finally, thank you Lord, thank you Lord. 3 more hours. Lapit na to. So 6 minutes na lang, malapit na kami dito sa pahingahan. Balak namin is gawin namin like 25 minutes itong rest na to kasi kanina pa kami, umalis kami doon kina Kuya ng about 8:30. So kanina pa kami talaga nasa daan. More than 12 hours. Kasi Winnipeg time right now is 10:26 in the evening. And ang weather sa labas is -8. Makikita ko nyo yung city lights. So, may pa-Medicine Hat na kasi to. So, ayun. Lapit na guys, fighting. And si Kian, hindi yan nag-nap mula kanina. Wala talagang nap. And very good talaga siya. Hindi siya grumpy the whole time. Kumakain siya mag-isa. Tumatampot siya ng food dyan. Yung binili namin kanina na chicken sa chips kami. Mga cookies, yun yung kinakain niya. Then, binibigyan ko lang siya ng water. Actually, tinatry ko na ako na hindi masyadong uminom. Lapit na baby ko, 5 minutes. Nahihina daw siya. So, tinatry ko rin siyang painumin para hindi ma-dehydrate. Ako, tinatry kong hindi uminom. Pero kapag nakita ko like 15 minutes away na lang, kasi usually 110 kilometers yung patakbo dito sa highway. Pag nakikita ko 15 minutes na lang, tinutungga ako ng tubig, guys. Mahirap maihi. Like, halos wala masyadong ano eh. Pero madami namang gas station dito. And usually, pag papasok ka dun sa loob ng tindahan nila is may washroom. Which is good. Actually, the whole time dito sa may papunta sa Medicine Hat, puro mga truck at saka yung mga ano, malalaking truck yung kasabayan namin the whole time, pa isa-isa. And pitch black talaga, guys. So, anyway, malapit na. Thank you Lord for keeping us safe. 3 more hours, lapit na. Sige, see you later, guys. Pagdating namin sa Medicine Hat, vlog ako ulit. Hi guys, andito na kami sa ayan, we're here in
No, press.
I did already.
Look, I wanna see.
Okay, dito ka
Guys,
in front.
hey guys, welcome here
In?
in
I forgot about it. Medicine
Hat.
Mhm.
And we're
Alis na. We're alising. Okay, see you later.
But I see something.
Oh.
Bye.
Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back. Ito na kami sa may
Gas station.
Bassamin?
Gas station.
Sa gas, yeah, we're here in the
Gas station.
Kian just woke up. Nagpapagas na si Ivan ulit. Kakapagas ko lang din. Bassamin ata to. Hindi ako sure. Basta yun. Hello guys. Kung alam mong mukha pa ba akong tao or eye bags na tinubuan ng tao. Kayo na mag-judge guys. Anyway, fresh ka pa ba? Balak namin mag-stop muna dito. Like, take a nap. 20 minutes siguro. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo guys. Ayun no. Nag-start na mag-flurries. So, totoo nga ang chismis. Totoo ang chismis. Time check, it's 12 midnight dito sa Alberta time. And it's minus 11 degrees outside. So, sana flurries lang muna talaga yan. Kasi may an hour and a half pa kami guys going to Calgary. So, lapit na. Konting push na lang. Thank you Lord for keeping us safe. Okay guys, call ko muna si Ivan. See you guys later. Hi guys! Time check, it's 2:47 in the morning, Calgary time. Yung last 30 minutes namin was just something, alam mo yun, sobrang nag-start na yung winter storm on the way and it was crazy, like almost zero visibility. Tinitailgate ko na lang nga si Ivan, sobrang nakakatakot. Nanginginig yung tuhod ko, like seriously, first time kong manginig yung tuhod sa pagdadrive. Dito na si Ivan, pinark niya yung car, ay yung U-Haul. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo. Thank you Lord. Safe kami nakarating dito. So, punta lang kami sa Holiday Inn siguro. Titingin sana may available na spot na room. Para makapahinga na kami. Sobrang pagod na. It's like 19 hours na kami nag-drive. So, wish us luck guys. See you later! So, ayan. Pinark muna ni Ivan yung U-Haul truck namin dito sa apartment. Para di kami mahirapan dahil sobrang daming snow na talaga guys.
It's full right now.
And now, nagtatawag siya. Unfortunately, puro full. But, we'll see. Nagtatawag pa siya ng mga ibang hotel. So, pagod na kami. We just want to rest guys. So, see you in a bit. Hi guys, we just arrived here. At ito lang ang tumatanggap ng hotel ngayon, fully booked. Maybe because it's Friday. Oh no, Sabado na pala yun. Na-late na kami ng dating. 3:40 na yata dito ng umaga. So ito na lang, Hampton Inn ang tumatanggap for the night. And check-out time is 12. Kukunin na namin. Wala na kaming choice. Ay, kala ka. And Hampton Inn. We're going. Hi, we're here na. What floor are we?
Number 7.
And what room?
Whack, whack. Look,
What?
here.
We're here.
Show us the room. Show us the room.
the room.
Show
Which
us
one is it?
where we're going.
Which one? Let's go. Okay, pupunta na sa room guys. Can't wait.
Here.
What is this? Where?
That's it.
There. It's there.
Can I go inside, please?
What's happening?
Good. Room check.
Mommy, Mom,
Yes.
Mom, where is the 7th floor?
Oh, I know. That's the only one available for the
Mom.
night.
You want it very high?
Mom.
Yeah.
Mommy, it's the highest floor.
It's highest. Okay. Good. Hi. Losyang na alola mo. Well, at least nandito na kami. Finally made it here. Rest na rin kami guys. That's it. Today is March 2nd.
We forgot.
See you in a bit. I think it's 4 in the morning.
Mom, we forgot nipple.
Bye. Hi guys, good morning. We just woke up.
Oh, look at
Hi,
Oh,
hon.
look at Oh, look at
Kian, hi.
Hi, welcome to our vlog. We're here at the room, 10:05. This is our room, and the TV is off, and we slept on the bed,
And we're gonna have
and we're going to have dinner, breakfast. Hello, bye bye.
It's 8:48 guys. Nakarating kami paggabi
Look,
ng
look,
3:43 yata.
Mommy, look.
So, kailangan namin mag-alarm kasi ang check-out dito is 12 o'clock. Okay, we're gonna have breakfast muna.
Look,
Bye!
8